How did February go? Stay tuned. All right, welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Cassara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And today is March 1st, and it is the February recap of what did I drink, how did I do in line with my goals, and what was the best and worst thing that I drank this past month. So in February, recapping, in January, right, I had a rate of 1.32 drinks per day, which I said was a bit higher than I wanted to be. I want to be at least close to that one drink per day mark, if not a little lower. So it's amazing what you do when you're actually tallying up your drinks and stats on a spreadsheet every day. In February, I ended up having 26 drinks, so that was for a rate of 0.93 per day. So that's good. I got under the one drink per day mark. There were a number of stretches, several days where I didn't have anything to drink, which made up for a few, some time in New York, but I think it was a really balanced month. All in all, a good one. Throughout the course of the month, cocktails were prevalent, right? 10 of the 26 drinks were cocktails. My favorite drink of the month was the Fulton Ferry, which was a drink I had at Harriet's Lounge when we were doing a photo shoot for my wife's new clothing line, Good Robe & Co. I'm going to start posting or at least putting some stuff in the comments so you get a feel for what she's doing. But it was amazing setup overlooking the Brooklyn Bridge. Had a couple of Fulton Ferries, which is a mix of mezcal, gin, lemon juice, and Strega liqueur, which now means I need to go get some Strega liqueur. Really amazing, amazing cocktail. So I'm going to be making some of those at home, no doubt. The worst drink I had this month was a 2018 Lauer Chardonnay, L-A-W-E-R, Chardonnay, Knights Valley. It was just flat and boring and just had very little life to it. So that got the thumbs down, right? I think going into March, I know I have a couple of trips, business trips planned, or actually one business trip planned. I'm going to try to, again, manage the intake. I want to still be right around that one mark. I think I can do it. Again, this video for January got a really good response. It was actually shocking to me. I figured it'd get like 2 views of like 30 seconds. So I think it's a topic of, managing consumption is a topic that people are interested in. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. I'd love to know if you have any goals that you're trying to meet or any levels you're trying to manage. Because that'll help feed into my thinking as we keep pushing this forward through the rest of the year. Until next time, cheers.